Hi everyone, welcome to this series on SaltStack. In this video, we will understand what SaltStack is and why it's used. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what SaltStack is. Salt or SaltStack is an automation tool used to manage multiple servers from one central place. You have one Salt master and many servers called Salt minions. So instead of manually logging to each server, the master sends commands and configuration to all servers at just once. This helps avoid mistakes and keep all servers. Imagine you are managing 20 or even 50 servers. Every time you need to install software or update packages, you log in into each server one by one. So, which is painful, right? So this is how things are done manually. One admin log into every server individually, which is time consuming, error prone, and not scalable. If you miss one command or use wrong version on just one server, your whole system becomes inconsistent. This is where automation tool like SaltStack comes in picture. Instead of logging into every server, you write instructions once and this automation tool runs those instructions on all servers automatically. It's like sending one WhatsApp message to group instead of texting everyone individually. So it is a faster, it has a fewer mistakes, same configuration everywhere, and it's easy to manage 100 plus servers. So in next video, I'll show you how Saltmaster can control dozens of servers with just single command.